Bed Wars Season 4 is here, and with that we got Concrete, Mace, Decoy Player, and the Jetpack. The Jetpack is a lot like the wings, but instead of durability, it has a booster temperature. You use it just like the wings, and when it is on its hottest, then it breaks. The mace works like you would think it would work, just like in Zeka and in survival, but the decoy player, it's me wearing the jetpack. But also you don't just go horizontally with the jetpack, you can go up too. Okay, but thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. And just so you know, this is not a dream skin. This is a dream skin, this is a dream skin. But this is in a dream skin pack, but all of Dream's characters I've never seen wear this, so yeah, I will be using this skin for a while. But thank you for watching this video, please consider subscribing, bye!